photo, and I'm going to talk about lion. Let's see. Well, here it's the photo. It's a photo of my animal, the lion. As you can see, it's real good photo. Well, so let's begin. Uh, Scientific name. The scientific name of the lion is Panthera leo. Habitat. Lions, well, they live in grassland, savanna, then scrub, and open woodland. Like historically, they live in Europe, Asia, and Africa, but now they are found in part of South Africa of the Sahara. Well, I choose the habitat grassland because to make it short, I'm just going to talk about grassland. So the main characteristics are vegetation structure that is dominated by grasses, semi-arid climate, insufficient support to tree growth, most common at mid-latitudes, and often exploited for agricultural use. Here, as you can see, is a photo of the habitat. In this case, it's the grassland. Now, the climate. Well, most of the grassland experience a dry season and a rainy season. The dry season, grasslands can be susceptible to fire, which often start as a result of lightning strikes. Grassland soils are generally too shallow and dry to support thick growth. Therefore, the vegetation is not good. And the climate in grasslands has a moderate climate. There's a little precipitation and constant wind because of the little amount of trees. Here, I put a small image of grassland with like differentiate the climate. Biotic factors. There are birds like hares, sparrows, big mammals like zebras, giraffes, kangaroos, arthropods like scorpions and grasshoppers. Here, they camouflage themselves in the grasses to hide from predators. So they are like kind of smart. That's a big point of them. Abiotic factors. There are many types of abiotic factors in the grassland biome, such as lakes. There are also rock formations. Rainfall is also considered as an abiotic factor because they receive 25 to 50 centimeters a year. And certainly, not least, is the climate of the grassland. Their climate is dry, little rain, cold winters, and constant wind. The position in the food chain. The lion is a carnivore, so with that we can position the lion in the tertiary consumers. Here's like a small diagram of the food chain of the lion. The consumer type that you're considering secondary consumers. This is a pyramid of energy. I found it in internet, but it's also in the book. So here is shown that lions are in secondary consumers. The importance in the food chain. Lions play a key role in the food chain by helping to control the herbivore population. If the herbivore population is not regulated, the increase of competition among them will cause some extinct and thus reduce biodiversity. The lions has the reputation of being the chief operator of their habitat, as they know to even kill large herbivores such as elephants and giraffes. Now I'm going to play a small video for this presentation to make it shorter. I think in this video, he's hard to being a dad with his little babies. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.
Afternoon. My name is Leon Jose Rivera Lopez. I'm going to talk about leopard sharks. Shark Life Camp. Just to clarify, I entered Monterey Bay Aquarium Life Camps, and at the Shark Life Camp, they have different sharks like seven gill sharks, leopard sharks, spiny dogfish, and the Pacific angel shark at the same habitat. But my presentation will be talking about leopard sharks. So now let's start. Well, first, a leopard shark scientific name is Triachis semifasciata. This Triachis semifasciata or leopard shark is a species of hound shark in the family Triachidae. This shark is mainly found at the Pacific coast of North America. Normally measures between 1.2 and 2.1 meters. And its name comes from its similarity in spots to leopards. As you can see in the image, it has spots similar to leopard ones. Well, talking about its habitat, leopard sharks live on kelp forests. These submarine forests grow along the Pacific coast of North America, towering up to 175 feet over the ocean floor. This habitat is very rich in animals and plants. Some examples could be seaweed, giant kelp, Garibaldi, giant sea bass, kelp bass, rockfish, red octopus, horn shark, etc. Climate. Well, climate around in kelp forest is around 5 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. This climate makes kelp plants grow in a very rich nutrient, and that's why it is the perfect temperature for kelp forests to be in. Now let's talk about its biotic and abiotic factors. Well, biotic, we can see that kelp forests divide into 3 layers. At the top layer, most animals live like seabirds, fish, otters, and many types of birds. At the middle layer, blades and stipes of kelp grow. Snails